In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Notion. By the end, you'll have these two tools connected so your tasks and documents can work together more smoothly. Make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace in a desktop browser and that you also have access to the Notion workspace you plan to connect. Start by heading to ClickUp. Once the app loads, look at the top left corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click that profile image to open the user menu. If your window is narrow and you don't see it right away, try maximizing the browser or zooming out slightly so the full header appears. From that menu, select Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage your personal and workspace preferences. If you're part of multiple workspaces, glance at the top of the page to confirm you're in the correct one before proceeding. Integrations are tied to a specific workspace, so this matters. Inside Settings, find and click App Center. This is the hub for all official ClickUp integrations. It's where you'll connect services like Notion and manage them later if you need to update permissions or disconnect. On the right side of the App Center, you'll see the featured area along with other tabs that highlight what's popular or recommended. Feel free to browse here to get a sense of what's available and how apps are categorized. It's a helpful way to discover other tools you might want to connect in the future. To jump straight to what we need, use the search field and type Notion. The results should surface the Notion integration quickly. If you don't see it immediately, double-check your spelling or clear any filters you may have applied. Click Notion to open the integrations details page. Here you'll find a brief description of what the integration does and any notes from ClickUp about capabilities or limitations. Take a moment to review this so you know exactly how the connection will behave. When you're ready, click Connect. You'll be prompted to authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen steps to sign into Notion if asked, and then grant ClickUp access to the specific pages or databases you want it to see. A best practice is to grant only what you need today. You can always expand access later. Once permissions are confirmed, return to ClickUp and look for a connected indicator to verify everything worked. That's it. You've integrated ClickUp with Notion. If anything doesn't connect on the first try, refresh the page and confirm you're in the correct workspace with the right permissions. Enjoy your new streamlined workflow.